أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول
تأمل الجمل الآتية. فتح زكريا الباب وكاد يخرج. Zakaria opened the door and he was about to leave. فتح زكريا الباب وكاد يخرج. He was about to leave. See, this is actually kada. It shows the nearness of an action, but it is not fulfilled actually. The action was not done, but it was about to happen, but it didn't happen. It was about to happen, but it didn't happen. In that case, you will use kada. You will use kada. Vakada yakhruju. Vakada yakhruju. Fataha Zakaria al-baba vakada yakhruju. Zakaria opened the door. Vakada yakhruju. And he was about to leave. He didn't leave, but he was about to leave. His leaving was about to happen, but it didn't happen. That is, the nearness of the happening is mentioned, is specified through kada. Vakada yakhruju, he was about to leave, but he didn't leave. He was about to leave. Qala Usmanu lil mudiri. Usman said to the principal, Rafa Yusufu yadahu. Yusuf raised his hand, wakada yadribuni, and he was about to beat me. Kada yadribuni, but he didn't beat me, but he raised his hand as if he is threatening to beat me. He raised his hand and he was about to beat me, but he didn't beat. Wakada yadribuni, he was about to beat me. In qalabat Sayyaratu Hamidin Vakada Yamutu. Hamid's car was overturned upside down. Vakada Yamutu. Vakada, he was about to die. He didn't die. Even though the car overturned, he didn't die, but he was about to die. Vakada yamutu. Darabatil mudiratu suwada fakadat tabki. The lady principal beat Suad. Fakadat tabki. She was about to cry. Because she didn't cry, but she was about to cry. It didn't happen that she cried, but she was about to cry. Dharabatiflina dharati. The child struck or beat my spectacles. Nadharati, spectacles. Bilasa, with the stick. The child struck my spectacles with the stick. Vakada yaksiruha, and it was about to yaksiruha, break it. The child was about to break it. Vakada yaksiruha. The child didn't break it. The child was about to break it. As-sa'atul al-wahidatu yakadul mudiru yakhruju. The time now is 1 o'clock. The principal is about to leave. See, here it was kada, here it is mudari, yakadu. The principal is about to leave. That is, soon he will leave. He has not yet left. Soon he will leave. Yakadul mudiru yakhruju. Yakadul mudiru yakhruju. The principal is about to leave. Yakadul imamu yarkau. The imam is about to do ruku. yakadul imamu yarka'u. The imam is about to do ruku. Yakadul jarasu yerinnu. The bell is about to ring. Yakadul jarasu yerinnu. Ranna yerinnu. The bell is about to ring. Lima darabta hadha al-walad ya Ali? Why did you beat this boy, O Ali? Huwa yakadu yabki. He is about to cry. That is, he may soon cry. Huwa yakadu yabki. Ana la ashrabul kahwata. See, ta'mal ma'ali. Observe the following. Ana la ashrabul kahwata. It is actually used in the general sense. If you are using this sentence like this, I don't drink coffee. Generally, I don't prefer coffee. It's the meaning of this sentence. Ana la ashrabul kahwata. I don't drink coffee usually, like that. And you usually drink coffee, tea. It's not a problem for you, and you are visiting one of your friends, and he is asking you to drink coffee, but at that time you are not having a mood to drink coffee. You are not in a mood to drink coffee. So you simply say, you refuse. Ana ma ashrabul kahwatal ana. Ana ma ashrabul kahwatal ana. I don't drink coffee now. So ma makes manfi to the hal, that is the present. It is general sense. It is only especially for hal, it's present one. Ana ma ashrabul kahwatal an means I don't drink coffee now. Nahnu la nal'abu kuratal kadami. We don't play football. This is general sense actually. Generally, if you are not playing football, you will be saying nahnu la nal'abu kuratal kadam. Ana la nal'abu kuratal kadam. I don't play football. Whereas you are saying now, we don't play football now. We don't play football now. It is general sense actually. Common in a way, you are saying we are not usually playing football. It means nahnu la nalabu kuratal kadami, the first sentence. The second sentence is nahnu ma nalabu kuratal kadami lan. We don't play football now. Nahnu ma nalabu kuratal kadami lan. We don't play football now. Huwa la yaqra'u suhufa. He is not reading the newspapers actually. That is, it's a common thing. It's a habit like. He is not reading the newspapers. Huwa la yaqra'u suhufa. There are people who are not reading the newspapers. He is not reading the newspapers. It is generally. Huwa ma yaqra'u sahifatal ana. He does not read the newspaper now. Ma tukhallisul mudariya lil hal. This ma makes mudari for the present tense meaning. Present tense negative meaning actually. Tamal Mayeli. Hamidun Tawilun. Hamid is tall. Hamid is tall. Ma tuwala Hamidan. How tall Hamid is? How tall Hamid is? Ma atwala Hamidan. Ma atwala Hamidan. هذه السيارة جميلة. This car is beautiful. ما أجمل هذه السيارة. ما أجمل هذه السيارة. How beautiful this car is. In English we say even what a beautiful car, like that. ما أجمل هذه السيارة. So it's an exclamation. You are wondering how beautiful this car is. It is extremely beautiful. So we say ما أجمل هذه السيارة. هو طويل ما أطوله. ما أطوله. How tall he is. هي صغيرة. هي صغيرة. She is small. How small she is. Or it is small. How small it is. It has both the meanings. Here. انظر إلى هؤلاء الطلاب الجدد هم كثير. Look at these new students. They are many. They are many. ما أكثرهم. ما هم كثير. ما أكثرهم. ما أكثرهم. How many or how large number they are, like that. انظر إلى هذه السيارة هي جميلة. ما أجملها. How beautiful it is. هو فقير. He is poor. ما أفقره. How poor he is. أرأيت ذاك البيت هو صغير. Did you see that house? It is small. ما أصغره. How small it is. الكلمات الجديدة مقعد. مقاعد. Seat. يا أبتي is equal to يا أبي. Oh my dad. Oh my father. في أثناء during. انقلب ينقلب overturned upside down, turned upside down. بكى يبكي he cried. بكى يبكي he cries or he will cry. كذب يكذب he lied, to lie. كذب يكذب he lied.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك اللهم